In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a OneDrive error 0x8004de40 5 minutes. This error usually points to a network or secure connection problem between your PC and Microsoft servers. We'll quickly adjust a few Windows Internet settings to make sure secure protocols are enabled and your connection can be detected automatically, then finish by resetting OneDrive to refresh its connection. Start by opening the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. A small box will appear in the lower left or center of your screen. In that box, type inetcpl.cpl and select OK. This opens Internet Properties, which controls key connection and security options that OneDrive relies on. If you see a permissions prompt, allow it to continue. In the Internet Properties window, switch to the Advanced tab. This tab contains a long list of settings. Scroll down to the security section. Here, confirm that Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2 are all checked. These options enable modern secure protocols. OneDrive needs them to establish an encrypted connection. If any of these are unchecked, select them now. Don't worry if you can't change something due to organizational policy. Just enable what's available to you. We'll apply changes in a moment. Next, move to the Connections tab. Near the top of the same window, select the LAN settings button. In the local area network LAN settings window, make sure the box for automatically detect settings is checked. This allows Windows to discover your network configuration, which can resolve issues where OneDrive can't determine how to reach the internet. If you're on a work or school network that uses a proxy configured by your IT team, leave any existing proxy entries as they are. We're just ensuring automatic detection is enabled alongside them. Click OK to close the LAN settings window. Back on the main Internet Properties window, click Apply and then click OK to save everything and close it. These changes take effect immediately and help Windows negotiate secure, reliable connections. Now reset OneDrive to refresh its connection state. After making the changes, resetting ensures OneDrive drops any stale network information and reconnects cleanly. Once the reset completes, open OneDrive again and sign in if you're prompted. Give it a moment to reconnect and start syncing, then check that the error is gone. That's it. By enabling TLS, allowing Windows to automatically detect your network settings, and resetting OneDrive, you restore the secure path OneDrive needs to communicate. If the issue persists, double check that those options stayed enabled and that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to syncing smoothly.